Hello, my dear family members. Today we have an exciting and crucial topic lined up for you if you are preparing for the TCS NQT exam on January 14th. As many of you know, the verbal ability section in the TCS NQT exam plays a pivotal role in the determining your overall performance. Whether it's grammar, vocabulary, or comprehension skill, a strong command of our verbal ability is essential. In today's video, we are going to discuss error correction in sentence from which you will have 1 to 2 questions. So, let's start.
So the first question is this: she could not afford to join a coaching center, so she prepared to the exam through self-study. So what is the mistake in the sentence? This segment, or this? What is the wrong in the sentence? Okay, let me answer that. This is wrong, right? For is used to talk about the purpose of doing an action, but here it is used as to, right? So this should not be used. In place of to, we have to use for, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Choosing your college major is an extremely important decision. What will be the wrong segment? Please give me the answer before I answer, right? So in this case, actually answer will be is and extremely. The correct answer is if we used here an in place of and, right? And is a conjunction that is making a mistake in this case, right? So we have to use indefinite article and, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, there was a horrible smell on the kitchen the next morning when Mary went in for breakfast. So which segment containing a mistake or error? Please tell me. Okay, let me answer that. Actually, very small silly mistakes make the full answer wrong, right? And you may be out of the exam, or you may get the regret message. So please think quietly and give me the answer, right? Okay, in this case, the option will be on the kitchen. Actually, the correct preposition for this sentence is in, as the source of smell was inside the kitchen, which is room, right? And we use in and not on in case of that, right? Okay, I hope you have got this. Okay, now this is a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and try to give me the answer as much as soon possible, right? Okay, now let's go to the next question. That is this. Please point out the mistake in the questions. I hope you have paused and thought about the questions, right? Okay, let me answer that. The mistake is in this segment at the heart. Actually, the correct preposition to be used is in. Here, the silence is presiding inside the heart. Therefore, we should use in, not.
Before we proceed to the next question, I would like to inform you that the premium materials for TCS NQT exam has been prepared, in which I have included all the previous year full question set, more than 20 mock tests, and many other resources. So if you are interested, then please knock me after 25th December evening at my Insta ID, instagram.com/techno.uf.
Okay, let's go to the next question. Eye contact is one of the biggest clues you can use for determine how someone truly is. So what is the wrong segment? Okay, I hope you have tried to answer, right? Okay, let me answer that. In this case, the answer will be you can use for determine. In this segment, actually, fault contains. Actually, the correct preposition should be to, as determine is in present tense. If we want to use for, then the tense of determine should be changed to the continuous form determining, right? Okay, the next question is this. Next time you're sitting quietly in a room with another person, wait until they start the conversation to speak. So what is the wrong segment? Okay, this is very easy, because if you have a little knowledge in English, then you can determine that. Okay, so the problem is in the first segment, that is next time you're sitting quietly is having a fault, right? It should be you are, not your, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. If you are nervous and jumping over your words right off the bat, it is going to be much harder to keep up. So what will be the correct answer in this case? Okay, I hope you have paused the video and tried to answer. So the answer will be in this case right off the bat. Actually, the correct preposition is OFF of, not OF. Of, I mean OF of indicates relationship between two entities, and OFF of means to move away from something, right? Okay, the next question is, there are some people that might have a strong conscious mind, but perhaps they hate their body. So what will be the correct answer in this case? I hope you are pausing the video and trying to solve or trying to give me the answer in the comment section, right? Otherwise it will not be helpful, right? The answer in this case will be, but perhaps they hate their body. The correct word is THEIR there, not THERE there, right? There, THERE there is an adverb that shows location, while THEIR there is a pronoun which shows possession, right? Okay, the next question is, the thief confessed to his crimes, so he is not punished by the judge. So, what is the wrong segment in the question? Okay, let me answer that. So he is not is the problem, right? Actually, the tense that should be used is so he was not. Since the first half of the sentence is in the past tense, so the second half should be in the same tense, right? So so he was not would be the correct option. So the next question is a quiz question for you and the last question of this session. Please give me the answer in the comment section. I hope you will give. There's a seemingly limitless amount of language out there, as each specific language had many subparts. So what will be the correct, or what is the wrong segment in this question? Please give me the answer in the comment section. I hope you will give both two questions in a single comment, and you will prove that you are watching this session attentively.
So I hope you have learned a little in this video. If you want more such content, then please subscribe this channel and share this content with your friends so that they can also get the job together. And don't forget to access the playlist of TCS NQT. Thank you for watching.